Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on with a quick video and hopefully you can hear me okay. I've got the fan blowing and I'm in the bed, girl. So I just wanted to come on and put this video up because I'm having issues editing other videos. But this was just like a little quick updo I did during the time we were all pretty much shut all the way down. And I was bored and I just wanted to do something to my hair. Now, I did not wash my hair before doing this style, and I do suggest you do so because it would make straightening a lot easier. It would also make blending the hair into your hair a lot easier because it's already straight. So here I just flat ironed my natural hair as straight as I could possibly get it. And now I'm adding in a couple pieces of the 16-inch track with some regular hair glue. I did curl those pieces off camera because it gave me such a hard time. And here's another thing I should have done basically the other way. So I really should have slicked my bun down prior to me doing those front two pieces, just because I wanted to get around my edges a little bit better. And I hate brushing my hair up after I've already got it into the bun and it creates that lump in the back. I hate that. So that's another suggestion if you do try this look, and you can always adjust this look to your liking, obviously. Like you can shorten the front pieces, which I eventually ended up doing. That was way too long for me. And again, next time I would just wash it. Now I'm taking this 18-inch track and I'm going to wrap that around my natural hair bun. Just make it a larger, fluffier bun. Now I did make my bun a lot tighter, kind of wrapped it around a lot to make it as small as I could possibly get it, to make it less visible underneath the track hair. So you just wrap this around until it's all complete, until you reach the end of the track hair. And once you do reach the end, you just place a bobby pin in there to secure it, and you're all good to go. You can start twisting your bun. So that's the bobby pin. This is another reason why I should have done the bun part first, because the two pieces in the front kind of got in the way. So now I'm just kind of combing it out to get the tangles out, and I'm just going to do like a ninja bun, and you can do whatever style of bun you choose, as fluffy, as tall, as big, or as small as you like. But I just kept it simple, and I'm just placing a rubber band over, and that was pretty much it. Super simple and cute. Hope you guys liked it.